Today I am making pan fried noodles. I have taken one packet of noodles which I boiled for 2 minutes and kept. Then I have taken onion, finely chopped ginger, finely chopped garlic, half teaspoon of pepper. Then I have taken chili flakes, garlic and salt. I have taken few chunks of chicken and some vegetables which I had at home. You can take as per your choice. Then I have taken 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of chili sauce, and instead of hoisin sauce, due to the lockdown, I have taken barbecue sauce, half teaspoon of vinegar. Then I have taken corn flour and half cup of chicken stock. Our next step would be adding corn flour to the noodles to make it nice and crispy. And mix it well. I have heated some oil in the pan and now I will be adding our noodles. And cook it on a low flame. Make sure your noodles look like a nest, and if required, add some oil at the side and cook on medium flame till down it doesn't turn brown. Our noodles have become nice and crispy. Let's toss it to the other side. Now as the noodles have become nice and crispy, remove it in the plate and keep it aside. In the same pan, as there is oil left, you can add the chunks of chicken. And add salt, chili flakes, pepper and garlic. And cook it on high flame. Now as the chicken is almost done, now we will be adding the onion, garlic and the ginger and keep stirring it. Then add the vegetables one by one. We'll add the beans, the baby corn, capsicum, bell pepper, carrot and cabbage. Keep stirring for some time. Now I am adding the chicken stock. The ones who don't have chicken, use vegetable stock or water and even skip off the chicken from the recipe. Make sure you don't overcook the vegetables. Now they are done. So add the soya sauce, the chili sauce, and the barbecue sauce which I am adding instead of hoisin sauce. Mix it well. Then I have made a slurry of 1 tablespoon of corn flour which I will be adding to thicken it. Now as the sauce has thickened, before turning off the flame, add the vinegar and mix it well. As you you can see our sauce is done. Now plate it on the pan fried noodles.